guys, welcome back to another episode of Get Glassy with you. It's still your girl again, Blessing. Welcome to this episode, guys, where we talk about everything that has to do with your skin wellness. Yes, how you can get the best of skin. On this channel, we discuss about your skin beauty, how you can do everything you need to make your skin glow. Yes, that is the focus of this channel. So if you're a new subscriber to this channel, we want to thank you for clicking on today's video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And for our returning subscribers, you guys are the real envy. Thank you so much for your loyalty, guys. So today, what do we have? As you must have seen on the caption, guys, I'll be reviewing this product, yes, which is the Advanced Purity Body Lotion. Yes. So when I saw this product initially, guys, I thought it was a derivative or a sub product from Advanced Clinical. So I was so interested in it, and because I know Advanced Clinical, they do more of products that are skin friendly, they are dermatologically tested, and most of their products are drugstore products. So I was really interested in it, and I felt it was one of their new products. But I decided to go into research, and I noticed that that was not the case. This is another company entirely producing this body lotion. Now let's quickly look at Advanced Purity Body Lotion. Guys, this body lotion has two variants. It has one that the major ingredients is turmeric and vitamin C, and then the other one that has retinol, niacinamide, tretinol as the main ingredients, right? But the focus for today really would be the one with the retinol 2% body lotion. The reason why I'm coming to talk about this product, guys, is because I know so many people would be interested in buying this product because of the beautiful ingredients that it claims to be formulated with. But again, yes, these products are beautiful ingredients, but again, I need to put it out there for my subscribers to know why they should know how to use this product well. I'm not coming here to demarket this product or say any negative thing about this product, but I'm just going to be telling you why you need to use this product with care. Yes, that word care, very important. So we'll be looking at the ingredients one by one, and then maybe at the end of the day you will see why I'm coming out here to say this. Right now, this product claims to have 2% retinol, it has 3% niacinamide, it has tretinol 0.05, it claims to also have alpha arbutin. Now guys, this product, looking at the ingredient that was used to formulate this product, I'll say that this body lotion should be used under prescription. It shouldn't be a body lotion that you will just walk up to the store and purchase and just start using it. Reason being that the products or ingredients that was used to formulate this particular lotion are ingredients that are used for treatment. So if you buy this product with the hope of, oh, I want to lighten my skin, the manufacturer even claims that this one lightens or it brightens, right? It brightens your skin, it brightens the appearance of age spots, it reduces it reduces discolored skin, that you can use it for your face, neck and body, and it reduces and clears the appearance of skin tag, and it clears the appearance of dark knuckle. Now those are the things this manufacturer claims this product will do for you. And this product, guys, has retinol 2%. Now that's where I'm worried, right? On a good day, when we want to use retinol cream to maybe treat concerns, we always advise that, oh, you start from the least. Like when you're just new to retinol or retinol derivative, we always say start with, if possible, 0.01, 0.125, and then I think the strongest is about 0.1, and that is what we use to treat all those basic or all those concerns that we know retinol treat. Now let me just even talk about retinol, so that those people that don't even know what retinol does, we even know what this retinol is, right? So retinol is a vitamin A derivative, right? This retinol is a derivative of vitamin A. It has other derivatives. You hear things like retinoid, tretinoin, retinoldehyde. They are all vitamin A derivatives, and what they really do is that they improve or increase the rate at which your skin cell turnover occurs. Now, you know that your skin at a particular time tend to shed off the outer layer and another one comes to the surface. It's like a snake, you know, it sheds off its skin and reveal another one. The same thing for us humans. Over time, when you are still young, the rate at which that happen is faster, but when you are aging, it's slower. That is why you see that when you start aging, your skin cell turnover is slow and you now start having maybe wrinkles, dull skin, sagged skin and all that, because that rate at which that turnover is happening is now reduced. Now what vitamin A will do for you is that it will go deep down into your dermis, right? The epidermis is the topmost layer of your skin. It will penetrate and go beyond the epidermis and go to the innermost layer, which is the middle layer, dermis, and then it will speed in the rate at which your collagen is produced, thereby increasing your skin cell turnover. And then you start seeing that, oh, your skin is glowing, your skin is now firm, that fine lines and wrinkles are gone, hyperpigmentation, acne, basic acne, you know, all those mild acne. It would tackle those things and just get them out. So basically retinol is like an exfoliant, because what it does is that it exfoliates those outermost skin and reveal the inner one. And that's why you see somebody who is using retinol for a while, you'll be like, oh, this person is looking like a youth, has a youthful glow and all that. Now these things are not supposed to be used for a prolonged time, because they are, if you keep on making your cell turnover to be rapid, you're doing more harm than good to your skin cells, because you would so thin out your skin and then you would be susceptible to having cancer over time if you keep on doing that non-stop. Now that is why I am concerned with this particular cream, because it has a whopping 2% retinol. Yes, the skin on your body is tougher than your face, but again, I don't think retinol with that strength should be used to produce a body lotion, given that you would even be exposing your body to the sun. Most times some of us tend to, you know, protect our face and all that, but your body going to the sun, except you won't even come out at all generally, right? So but if you'll be going out, you don't need to be using a retinol cream on your body. Talk more of even now having it as high as 2%. So that is my worry number one. Number two is that it has niacinamide. It still has tretinol again, although that one is 0.03 I think, but having retinol and tretinol and alpha arbutin and niacinamide in one mixture or one formulation, I think is too potent for me personally. I think it's too potent. And again, I will say that using this body lotion should be if you have chronic skin issues and a doctor is prescribing it for you, to say, okay, go and get this and use it for a short period and discard. But don't pick it up and say you're using it as a lightning product and then you're using it every day as your normal body lotions. I would not advise that because of the ingredients, guys. Now there are side effects to using retinol over time, right? It can include itching. Yeah, your body tends to itch. Some people with sensitive skin cannot even tolerate retinol on a good day, because retinol by itself is very irritating. What it does to your skin is it irritates your skin and shed off all those topmost layer. So if your skin is already irritated, you don't need to even add retinol to it. So retinol can cause itching, it can cause dryness, and when your skin is dry and you're using something that is drying your skin every day, before you know, you start having skin issues. You start having different type of crack, textures and all that. Imagine retinol and tretinol in one formulation and you now have a sensitive skin, guys. It will definitely sensitize your skin and you will definitely have issues like white patches. It can cause white patches, it can cause skin redness, right? It can cause skin redness, and because vitamin A cannot really survive in the sun, it can synthesize your skin. It can cause you to have sunburn over time if you continue using it and you're going to the sun. So it can also cause white patches, or what we call white dots, because of the photosynthesis that happen on your skin. So you see that your skin is having all these white dots. And then vitamin A2 is not really good for people who already have or are prone to eczema or rosacea. It will worsen it. So my own take in this particular product is that it should not just be picked and used as a regular day-to-day lotion. It should be under a watch of an expert, and it should be given as a prescription because of the ingredient. Even though the manufacturer claims that it's going to brighten your skin, it's going to whiten, fine, you can use it maybe because you just want to clean your skin. Maybe you have uneven skin tone, or your skin is really dull, you just want something to use quickly to, you know, get your skin up to speed, then you just leave it and continue your cream. That I would say is okay, because if your skin is maybe really tough and nothing is working and you really want to, you know, soften your skin, you can use this kind of a product to achieve that. But please, it's not something you should use continuously. No, I won't advise that. And then this product, guys, is made here in Nigeria. I'm not saying that because it's made in Nigeria, oh, it's bad. No, I'm happy that Nigerians are also coming to the party in terms of, you know, doing all this. That's what we are actually praying for, that we go into production and we start selling our things outside there and make money. Yeah, which is good. So it's made in Nigeria here in Lagos, and is 500 ml. It retails between 8,000 to 10,000 naira. The product is very is moisturizing based on the review, but again, I don't think this moisturizing would last a long time, so you need to pair it up with a very thick moisturizer because of the ingredients in it. Now, who are those that should not use this product, guys? If you know you are pregnant, or you're expecting a child, or you're planning to get pregnant, please don't go near this kind of a cream, because retinol goes deep down into your dermal tissue, and if you are pregnant, things like this can go into your bloodstream and maybe affect the baby. So before you start using this kind of a product when you are pregnant or planning to get pregnant, please consult your dermatologist. Now, another thing I would say is, if you are prone to eczema or you are prone to stretch mark, like serious stretch mark, don't go near this product because it will worsen it, right? That is what retinol does. Or you are prone to red skin, right? Your skin is already red, it's red, don't go near it. It's what retinol will increase that redness for you, right? But again, people that should use this product are people that maybe have acne. The manufacturer claims you can use it on your face, neck and body, so you can use it from head to toe invariably. So what you should do is that you should use it if maybe your skin is very tough, you have acne, you have uneven skin tone and knuckles, just like the manufacturer claims that it clears knuckle, or your skin is very dull and you're just looking for something to brighten it up, and then you just keep it aside. It's not that you use it continuously. No, don't use it continuously. Another thing I want to say about this product is that it has SPF 75, but guys, with what is inside, right, all those ingredients, I don't think SPF 75 is okay. I think you should still go for, if possible, SPF 80 or 90, or another form of SPF, just to, you know, make it that you have, you know, bulletproofed your skin and you would not get burns because of the ingredients in this cream. So guys, on this note, I'll be calling this a wrap. I'm not here to say this product is bad or is good. I'm only here to advise you on how to use it, and for those that want to use it, they should be very cautious, right? Be careful when you are using product like this. They are products that are very, very active, like strong, so you don't just buy them and just start using them anyhow or abusing them. No, buy them because you are trying to address that particular issue, and when you're done, just see it as a drug, right? If you have malaria, right, they will give you prescription, take 3 at once, or they'll say take 1 daily. By the time you're done with the pack, you throw it away and you move on. It's only when you have relapsed again the doctor prescribe another one. Just see that in this cream. When you have achieved your goal, please leave it, move on to another one, and then if you feel, oh, you need it again, you pick it up and use it again. But don't just use it continuously over time. I won't advise that, right? So on this note, I'll be calling today's video a wrap. If this video has been helpful, please do give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share and comment. Until I come your way next time, it's still your girl Chipo. Bye for now.